Hello friends, I am Dr. P.R. Karulkar working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce in Konkan Ganpit, Uran College of Commerce and Arts, Uran Raigad. Friends, students of TY BCom in Mumbai University have one of the applied component subject export marketing. जो TY BCom स्टूडेंट ने एक्सपोर्ट मार्केटिंग सब्जेक्ट चुना है उनके लिए ये यूट्यूब वीडियो बहुत ही यूज़फुल है। एग्ज़ाम से पहले यदि आप ये यूट्यूब वीडियो को देखेंगे तो आप ये एक टॉपिक के ऊपर आपकी रिवीजन हो जाएगी। दैट टॉपिक इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट मार्केटिंग। इन दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन वी विल रिवाइज definitions of export marketing and importance of export marketing. Let us start with the definitions of export marketing. Definition given by R.L. Kramer. Export marketing involves export business with individual firms, organizations or government entities in other countries. So whatever the business transaction which we carry out with individual firms, organizations or government entities outside the boundaries of the countries, beyond the boundaries of the nation, that is called export marketing. Another definition is given by B.S. Rathore. Export marketing includes the management of marketing activities for products which cross the national boundaries of a country. So whatever marketing activities that which we carry out regarding goods and services across the national boundaries of a country, beyond the boundaries of a nation, that is called export marketing. Now we'll discuss importance of export marketing. First, we will discuss importance of export marketing for nation. Let us start with the first point, foreign exchange earnings. By exporting goods and services in the world market, exporters can earn a lot of foreign exchange, and that foreign exchange they can use for purchasing the raw material, capital goods, components, spare parts, even new technological skill, and again they can extend their export business, and this export business will again contribute for the nation in the form of foreign exchange earnings. Next is provides more employment opportunities. Exporters have to supply and satisfy more and more demands of customers due to rapid and fast growing this industrial and service sector development. To satisfy this additional demand or generate this additional demand for products, it will turn into increase in the employment, and right from the production up to the distribution in all the activities more employment opportunities can be generated, and it will also contribute in the per capita income, increasing the per capita income of a nation. Next is improves standard of living. Friends, we have discussed in the previous point that export marketing generates employment opportunities, and these large employment opportunities will increase the purchasing power of people, and ultimately it will result in the better standard of living. Next, spread effect. Increase in export will also make the development of all other sectors. It may be the development of primary sector, secondary or even tertiary. Hence, this development of all these ancillary industries, means supportive industries, can survive and support to the domestic as well as export business or export market. So that is one of the contribution for the nation. Next, peaceful in international relation. Every country wants to maintain a peaceful relationship with each other. Every country wants to maintain a harmonious relationship with each other. And this export transaction, or by doing export, the exporter can maintain, the country can maintain, because exporter will represent to his country. So exporter will maintain a better political, cultural relationship among each other, okay, between each other. So that is one of the importance for a nation. Next is improvement for research and development. Economic and industrial development is possible because of export marketing. Exporters can sustain in the international market if they will supply quality of product. So through research and development, exporter can access international market. They can also study the demands in the international markets, standard of living of the people in the international market, etc. and etc. It will help them to sustain in the market for a longer period of time. Exporter can do export on a large scale by conducting research and development. So it will definitely result into economic growth and development of a country. Next is adjust with the balance of payment or manage with adverse balance of payment. Large scale export will maintain the favorable position of the balance of payment. Any country want to maintain a good balance of payment or favorable balance of payment. Any country can reduce deficit position of their balance of payment by enjoying the large scale export transactions. So more we have to export and less import will definitely maintain favorable balance of payment. Next is create reputation in the world. Exporters can create reputation in the world by continuing involved in export transaction, by supplying quality of goods in international market, by supplying the better quality of goods at reasonable prices in the international market. Even after earning foreign exchange, exporters can invest in new business opportunities, new ideas of business. It will also maintain good reputation in the world market. Now this is what we have learned, importance of export marketing for a nation. Now we'll move towards importance of export for a firm or business or enterprise. The first is high profit. Friends, exporters who have good goodwill and reputation in the market, they earn high profit by charging higher price. Exporters also sometimes take the benefits of economies of large scale by doing export business on a large scale. So this benefit he can enjoy and can even making available goods at quality with the reasonable price and earn a lot of profit by carrying out this export business. Next is goodwill and reputation. By supplying quality of products and services in the international market, exporter can create goodwill and reputation. It will also maintain constant touch in international market. Even participating in fairs and exhibition, conducting research and development also help them to become popular in the international market. Next is improvement in organizational efficiencies. For maintaining better reputation in the world market, supplying of quality of products and services is essential, because unless you supply the quality of products and services in the international market, you cannot maintain the reputation. So reputation is depend on that. To maintain the quality of products and services is not possible without the support of the employees, without the support of the workers, those who are working in this all export business transactions or in export business process. So by organizing training and development program for the employees efficiency can be improved. Employees efficiency or efficient employees will concentrate on their job. They will more concentrate on their job. They can develop the skill and overall organizational efficiency can be increased. Next is optimum use of resources. Due to participation in export business, export firms can use the whatever resources they are available with them. They can use that and they can participate in the export business. Whatever the surplus production they have, after satisfying the demands of the domestic market or local people, they supply it in the international market. So the firm enjoy hence comparatively cost advantage in this. Even large scale production also giving the benefits of low cost per unit. So the exporter will come to know how to use the resources in optimum way and participate more in the international market. Next is spread of market risk. This is one of the advantage to the export firm, spreading of marketing risk. Export firms supply products and services in domestic as well as international market. So even they suffer a loss in one particular market, they can recover or cop up that loss from the other market. So this is one of the importance for a firm or a businessman. Next is advantages of research and development. As you know, there is continuous development in the international market in the form of technology, in the form of quality of product, market updation even also. So all about this, export firm have to go for research and development, because without research you will not come to know what development is taking place in the international market. This will develop this will definitely help to develop or upgrade the we can say expansion of business, the knowledge of exporters, and even the large scope of carrying out the exporting activities in the international market. Next, enjoying benefits of government assistance and incentives. Government of India declares many incentives to exporters from time to time. That incentives may be duty drawback, excise duty exemption, then tax holiday, etc. and etc. Exporter enjoys or takes the benefit of all this. These incentives motivates the export firm to participate more and more in export business. So how these incentives, government incentives, will motivate the exporter to participate in the international market. Next is economies of large scale production. Large scale production and distribution will be benefited for the exporter firm or export firm to maintain the cost of product and services low. So export firm can take the advantage of this large scale production and distribution and earn good foreign exchange earnings. You know, we have discussed in previous point that government motivates the exporter to distribute on a large scale by providing by enjoying the benefits of the incentives which government has given to them. So this is nothing but one of the opportunities that exporter get by taking the opportunities of this large scale production and distribution, making available goods at a low price and with better quality in the export market. So with this I conclude my presentation on importance of export marketing, and please like this video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We'll also meet in the second YouTube lecture on export marketing. Thank you.